Ito na yun. Ang tagal ko inantay to. Excited ako, di ko pa nakita. Holy shit!
He's gonna show me a watch daw that's very rare.
Dami ko natututunan talaga ngayon ah. Gusto ko mag-aral ulit.
Boss, question lang. You gonna flip that or you gonna keep it?
Good question. Today is a little different, guys. So we have si Brother Vargas called me and dito tayo sa Green Hills Mall ngayon. Kasi he wants to meet with me. He's gonna show me a watch daw that's very rare. So pag nagustuhan ko raw, bilhin ko. Tingnan natin. Mga exciting to. Ayun!
Ayun!
Oh, how are you? Kamusta?
Bossing, thank you,
Grabe, nababaliw ako sa'yo ah.
Bakit?
Laki na pinagbago mo. Last deal natin, 2023, di ba?
Oo, tagal na. Ano mga paglilingkod ko sa'yo para today?
Nakita ko sa'yo watch, yung 16660, Sea Dweller.
666. So is it complete?
Yes,
So
complete,
these are the...
The service papers.
Parang medyo bago to eh.
Honestly, brother, I have no idea with that. But when I bought it, ganyan na talaga siya.
Where did you get it?
From another dealer.
Jordan.
Dito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah.
So usually what other dealers do, you know, they try to include as much inclusions. Ang tawag nila doon, replacement lang. I think this one is a little older. Yeah, kasi it's a 16660 eh. So 80s pa yan pare. Okay. Siyempre, pumunta ako dito. I brought my tool. Mawawala yung pito ko. Okay. So this is nice. Okay, so the 666. Okay, so it has a Rolex service center, receipt, and your time. Verification, okay? So this one, sa mga hindi nakakalam, this is actually the one stick doon sa likod ng watch. Usually sa case back ng watch, dinidikit to. Some people remove it, place it here. So it's an 88. So it was sold later, actually. Kasi ang production nito nasa 80 up to 84 lang alam. Movement caliber dapat 30-35 to. Okay, 30-35, tama. Looks good. Let's check pa. Ooh.
Medyo yung serial.
Yeah.
Match tayo.
Match.
Match.
Alam ko bakit sabi ko sayang? Akala ko nawala.
Napanood ko yung kay Bukom eh.
Oh.
Alright, so basically, to educate all you guys, this is useless.
But if it had the serial,
If it had the cereal, we were onto something. I didn't know. I just all good. All right.
pag may ganito, mas may value. So for those who doesn't know, this 666 actually, why it's made so much impact on the history of Rolex kasi it's the first sports watch ni Rolex na naglabas sila na solid end link na. So for us to check, I brought my tools with me.
Dami ko natututunan talaga ngayon ah. Gusto ko mag-aral ulit.
Mag-enroll ka. University of So first ever solid end links ni Rolex is this one, and it's the first ever na Rolex sports watch na sapphire crystal. So let's check the serial number lang. Let's make sure na tugma.
Talagang alam niya yung ginagawa niya.
Tsaka, bilis
Kaya nakakabilib eh.
Alam mo rin to eh. Nyari ka pa eh. Nuto mo ako ha. Nuto mo ako pare ha. Let's take a look. Let's make sure hindi re-engraved. The only thing that I didn't like about this is yung polish niya. Medyo bumilog pare. As you can see dito, medyo bilog na siya. I might have to repolish this to get it in the right angle lang and shape. Pero this is nice. Another thing that we have to look at is yung clasp. So if it's 84 yon, dapat nasa HIJ dapat ang clasp code nito. So to make it period correct na, ito talaga yung para doon. Now let's go and look. Yeah, it's I3. So I3 meaning either third month or third quarter yun. So I3 meaning...
ka talaga.
So ibig sabihin, period correction. For the bezel naman, may gasgas lang. Sino nakagasgas nito?
Hindi ko alam.
Pero I love the patina.
Ganda di ba?
Ang ganda patina. How much you're trying to sell now?
550.
550. Done.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Ako tatawa, di mura yung bigay. Kahit 600, kukunin ko to, to be honest eh. Pero, okay na. Gusto ko sa'yo. Minsan ka lang tumawag pero may laman, di ba?
Abang-abangan mo kasi ako.
Alright, sige. So, I'll still have this checked by our Gentry Care Service Center. 7-step. Ganda nito. Oh, lamon mo na. Akin ba to?
Yeah.
It's not on the menu. Kapag dinpunta tayo dito, hanapin nyo to. Para magkagulo. Sarap ha?
Boss, question lang. You gonna flip that or you gonna keep it?
Good question. I might keep it for now.
For now.
Yeah. But I wouldn't take much of your time. So, I'll go with this now.
So, for your team, this is another business of ours.
Uy.
Ano to?
Kamote chips.
Ah!
Nandun siya.
Cuisine. Done deal. On to the next, pare. Pero syempre, papacheck muna natin si 7-step. Alright, we're back here at the shop. Pare, may pupunta lang dito ha. May di-deliver sa akin. Napakagandang.
Ano na naman yan?
Yu-Gi-Oh card naman. Ay, alam mo naman, na-addict ako sa TCG ngayon, pare. Pero Yu-Gi-Oh. Bossing, kamusta? Hyde nga pala.
How are you? Nice to meet you. Ano pare, dala mo na? Ito na yun. Ang tagal ko inantay to. Excited ako, di ko pa nakita. Holy shit!
Kuribo.
Kuribo! Grandmaster Rare ng Kuribo pare. This is the overframe. Full art ni Yu-Gi-Oh! Almost 30 years na sila pare. Ngayon lang sila naglabas.
February 28 lang siya nirelease this year. So, bagong-bago talaga.
Sino malaman kung magkano yung value nito pare? Makita ko sa'yo para mag-gets mo. Ayun pare oh. 13,737. Population niya is 10 lang in the world. Pero this is 100 talaga in the world. Ito, ang maganda rito pare, hindi siya Asia version. Actually, kaya ako gustong-gusto to. Kasi 21 out of 100. My favorite number is 21 kasi. Kaya nung nakita kong 21 to, shit. Kukunin ko na to. Ganda. Kita mo, Sweetie? Dapat ganito yung napapull natin sa lahat. Para ang dami kong box ng LOCH. So, 100 pieces lang ang ginawa ni Yu-Gi-Oh na to. Tapos, what are the odds pa na maging PSA 10 yung grading niya? Tapos, favorite ko si Kuribo. Actually, tatlo na yung Kuribo ko. So, iba-ibang mga dati pang mga Kuribo. Kasi sa lahat ng mga monsters ni Yu-Gi-Oh, dahil puro monsters si Yu-Gi-Oh, ito lang yung cute, pare. Si Kuribo lang yung cute, eh. And, magkano to? Times 61.5. O, diba?
Gano?
844,000 pesos lang naman. Investment! Tataas pa to, pare.
Nakuha mo na?
Okay na.
Ayun oh, grabe, holy grail to, no?
Oo,
Ito yung
pare.
grail.
Yan ang grail. Diba? Grandmaster Rare!
Kubuto.
Na PSA 10, pare.
Kuribo.
Kailangan nila parin dito eh. Pero ako pare, yung mga collection ko talaga, Yu-Gi-Oh!
Isa ka pa, boss. Nandito din yung isa mo, yung Dark Magician.
Ah! Yes! Alam mo na, Yu-Gi-Oh! Pare. Pero ito, serialized to na Dark Magician. This is for display.
Yes, ganda yung lalagyan niyan, boss.
Kita ko sa inyo ha, para magets nyo ha. Uy! Yu-Gi-Oh! 1 of 10,000. Hey! Kita mo pare. Yan ang mga koleksyon. Yan ang mga dini-display. Yu-Gi-Oh! The Dark Magician. Yes, pare. Tapos may serial yan. 6648 out of 10,000. Itong paborito ko sa magkakapatid. Thank you, boss ha.
Welcome, boss.
Ito, ano lang to, mura lang to guys. Nasa, magkano ba to? Not sure, nakalimutan ko na actually. Pero nasa ano lang to, nasa 20,000 siguro man. Ako Yu-Gi-Oh talaga ever since kasi bata talaga ako. Gusto mo yung Yu-Gi-Oh. And it's going up in value, lalo na yung mga DDS. Which is yung dark duel stories.
Nalaro ko rin po. Duel.
Oo pare, nagduduel ako doon. May ganito ako dito no. Oo. Pag naubos na yung life ko, sakit. Nasaktan ako. Ramdam ko yun. Pare, thank you so much ha. Dito ha. Boss, thank you ha. Done deal.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Picture tayo.